In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an Excel file to WhatsApp using your PC, laptop, or computer. Whether you're working from home or just planning to share your Excel files quickly and efficiently, you'll find this process straightforward and easy to follow. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open WhatsApp Web on your PC. To do this, go to your favorite browser and type www.web.whatsapp.com in the address bar. This will take you to WhatsApp's official web client, where you can connect it with your WhatsApp account on your smartphone. If this is your first time using WhatsApp Web, you'll see a QR code displayed on the screen. Next, you'll need to link your phone with WhatsApp Web. Open WhatsApp on your phone, tap on the three-dot menu or settings, and select the option for WhatsApp Web or linked devices. You'll now need to scan the QR code displayed on your computer screen using your phone. Simply hold your phone up to the screen, allowing the camera to scan the QR code. Once scanned successfully, your WhatsApp account should open on the web client on your PC. Now that your WhatsApp is open and ready to use on your computer, you can navigate to the chat that you wish to send the file to. Click on the chat from your list of conversations, or use the search bar at the top to find the specific contact or group chat you'd like to share the file with. With the chat open, take a look at the top right corner of the chat window. You'll see a paperclip icon, which is your gateway to sharing files. Go ahead and click on it, and a few options will pop up. Select Document from these options, which will prompt the File Explorer on your computer to open. In the File Explorer window, browse through your files to locate the Excel file you intend to send. Once you find it, click on it to select it, and then hit the Open button, typically found at the lower right of the dialog box. This action will attach the Excel file to the chat. Finally, with the file attached, all that's left to do is click the Send button, which is usually highlighted as a green arrow next to the document. And there you have it. Your Excel file has successfully been sent via WhatsApp using your computer. By following these steps, you're now able to seamlessly integrate your daily tasks with WhatsApp, making it easier to share important documents with colleagues or friends without the hassle. I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.